Jotono lamchok so rajahani khupo channel dekhe ani mukhe dobin chongpring se Mizoram, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Indian phatar tonai Bangla haktor, Myanmar haktor, joto kobru khupo nai sauye tonero nrang bo channel bek ta angke subscribe khelai di nyen no ma siripio. Tinini khupo khe bo se India no chung sio bangmas kangpho Arunachal bo hathe khawai kheye phelaye aroi phelaye bangma kheye tinesini central ni sarkar opo home minister Amit Shah phong to prime minister Narendra Modi phono ongtho tinio chini hale ek henchi pho se China no le ria nge saye tongo arbo ye chong tinio chong nokmai mo tongo phelaye tomo nim sio phono mya khio khe chong nokmai yo tinio China ni Montri Houhgra bo dekhe onema se India wo ni tinio brown private meeting khelaye thumlaye se noi click khese noi laye se saparo kalaye kaumaro malaye kaumaro Salaimo phuno no ye tongo arbo bo sapanchiyo nang nongmai khna hema chongo akhe bonim si phuno roni video no ajang China khani kau samoma Houhgra jangni Houhgra malaye kau Salaimo akhe tr thake chomchi ma khe tinio bo Ladakh himo khawai ke ha jaga tongo abo jaga khe nok suk de ton henema aboro wo brang lamas nam khawye se tinio ha singye tongo akhe India wai China ni border nim sio phono 75 km India ni imsingo ha phaye se tinio lamas namye brang ni samung tanma bole chini ha se nye tinio China ni broke saye tongo arboye aboni loge wono lai thanema birodini je Rahul Gandhi song bo kauro no tui sawo brang bodike China bai khon thamole chong tinio political khawai tor people ha no chong state phie thangnai hinge birodi megings brang ni egings to nai Rahul Gandhi song phono tinio bo kauro no tui saye tongwar info abola ungya ye bodike salai paye tongmaro no chong main pio arembo ye bus kangole break hong ne ha India ni ba chong mami khe abo Delhi o Malai mole spo hinke RSS ni Houhgra ro wai tre India ni ta prime minister home minister akhe China khani Montri Houhgra abodima brang thini Houhgra phaye se Malai mani koma no se bono masiri phimse arembo ye tini bo video baran chingyo phono nang ta o short khe chong nai khe
Are part of China's territory, and China's infrastructure activities in its own territory is beyond reproach. China and Pakistan have signed border agreement and determined the border between the two countries since the 1960s. These are rights of China and Pakistan as sovereign states. And the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as an economic cooperation initiative aims to promote local economic and social development and improve people's livelihood. Such agreement and China-Pakistan Economic Corridor will not affect China's position on the Kashmir issue, and China's position remains unchanged on this.
Kaksaha jotono rajahani khupo channel bai khiye nang ta angkhe subscribe khedi bo channel bai trek muni tonde buskam bidukta mai sonen